Hello everyone, I'm going to share with you my favorite eyebrow pen. This is the Moly 7-Day Tattoo Eyebrow, and this makes very fine strokes, so it's perfect for recreating those tiny little eyebrow hairs. I usually always like to fill out the ends of my eyebrows and then work on the front. As you can see, I am drawing each individual hair out, but if you don't like that look, you can take a spoolie and just blend it out. I prefer having natural looking eyebrows, and even though this goes on dark, you can still fix it to make it look nice. This product claims to last 7 days, hence the name, but honestly it only lasts 1 or 2 days. Now this can either be a pro or a con, but this product works like henna tattoos, so after you wash your face, it can leave a slight yellow tint on the skin. I personally don't mind it. It helps me the next morning by serving as a guideline for where I want my eyebrows to be, but for some people I know they don't like that. This product has made doing my eyebrows really easy for me, and it's also very forgiving, so if you're worried about screwing up, then it's okay. You can take a spoolie and brush it through and it'll look good as new. I bought this off Mimi Box, but right now it is currently out of stock. If you love Korean skincare and makeup, I would definitely check out this site. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for updates. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos. I love you all and I hope you have a great week.